All right, you know what it is. Your boy Boss up with Cat back with another one. A great company, great side hustle, great opportunity for you guys to get paid driving your own vehicle. So if you like that type of information, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You do not want to miss out on the content I'm bringing around side hustles, turning active income into passive income, buying stocks, buying crypto, building your YouTube channel, building other streams of income where you do not have to actively work to bring in the money. That's what it's all about. That's what bossing up is all about, and starting your own side hustle opportunity. So let's get into it. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm great with a great opportunity for you guys. Now, this one primarily involves pickup trucks. Now, you can have another vehicle, but you need a trailer with it as well because you're picking up trash. I know you guys, trash. I'm not doing that. Okay, so now for you, go ahead and click off, hit the like button. But I got some more opportunities, so check out my channel. We got other opportunities for you to drive. But if you do have a pickup truck, if you do have another vehicle with a trailer attachment, you can go around to apartment complexes at night and pick up, the bag trash that's in the containers, dump them into a larger bag, and then take them to a facility at night. Part-time opportunity, something you can do once you get off work, something you can add on to throughout your day. It's local, it's a nationwide company. So let's get into it. Now, I found this company, it actually popped up in my email. It's called Valet Living is the name of the company. Now, there's a nationwide company, but this one, the job description for the Norcross, Georgia, up to $22 an hour, part-time work, all nights, all evenings, no weekends. And also got some benefits, tuition, paid training, referral programs, all of that nature. All right. So once I clicked there, I went to the website and it took me here. Here's the Valet Living website. And you can see this. First, we got to see where they are. It's a nationwide, and we want to be part-time work. So search map to apply for your location. Boom. Look at all these locations. So we got 96 down here in Florida, 18 in South Carolina, Georgia area, 12 in Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, San Francisco, Seattle, Oregon. I'm talking about everywhere, every place where you guys say they are not, they are. All right. So we're going to go ahead and come here, find your location, and you can apply that way. Boom. And this is all the stuff in Florida. I know we got a lot of people in Orlando. Might be checking in. So you can actually see the apartments where they are. If they're in the hood, you might not want to go over there to pick up the trash. I understand. You can exactly see, what street. Doesn't tell you the name of the apartment complex, but you can kind of see the area. You know the area. You're down here in Orlando, Maitland, Florida. That's a good area. Then you might want to, do what you got to do to get this job, get this role picking up trash at the end of the night. So let's kind of go into the more details. Actually got a video. Bye-bye. Very simple. See the guy, he's just, going around to the apartment complex door. When you pick out your trash at night, hopefully it's bagged. He takes out that bag, puts it in a larger bag. Goes on to the next door.
At Valet Living, we have been setting the standard in the multifamily housing industry since 1995. And a big reason for our success is our service valets. As a service valet, you will be responsible for a nightly door-to-door collection of trash and recycling items within an assigned apartment community. And whether you are looking for a part-time opportunity,
see, here's a woman, there's a man doing it. So like I said, bags of trash are not super heavy, but it could get stinky, it could get nasty. So I understand, it's not being the best thing for everybody, but it is an opportunity I want people to take advantage of. Like I said, it's part-time. We do it evening, nights, sometimes during the day as well. You will need a pickup truck or a trailer. So Those are really the only limitations. You see, all driving is done within the community. Employee referral bonuses, safety, gloves. They're going to provide all that stuff for you. You know, these vests so you won't get ran over at night. Valid driver's license needed. 18 or older. You know, be able to lift 50 pounds. Could be working in the rain some days, so that could be a thing as well. Mobile app, they give you to know, you know, where to go and whatnot. All right. So that is Valet Living. I'm going to make this video too much longer than it needs to be. Indeed is your friend. Like I said, $22 an hour is what they advising people are making. You know, we can come in here, come to the reviews of what other people are saying. Work close to home, service 15. So people are giving the good reviews. Here's some scheduling. 2 to 4 hours a night. Start time between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Usually done by 10 p.m. I mean, that's real easy work. Great pay, up to $25 an hour. Doesn't say how often you're paid. That's what I'm trying to get in more details for you guys. But as always, actually calling the companies is always the best bet. We're not just going to sit back and apply. We're going to apply and then call. Let's see if they got their contact information on here. They got LinkedIn, Facebook, all that information. We got a phone number. We got a main line. They're based out of Tampa, Florida. So after we do submit our online applications and we come to Indeed, fill out the application, then we're going to call. We're going to call. Here's the contact form. They got email, phone numbers all abound. Like I said, if you're in the Tampa area, I'll just pull up on them, make sure you get these positions, you get these contracts, you get these gigs and get rolling, all right? And that's how you boss up out here, man. Sign up for Indeed, sign up, have Indeed send you courier, driving, delivery gigs to your mailbox if you're serious about doing this business, serious about converting over to courier work, or any type of business. You know, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor are great resources to find these positions, okay? All right, so that's how we're gonna boss up out here on this Monday. Quick video. I did another one of these type companies, was called Trash Fairies as well. I'm gonna leave a link to that video up above. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video, and I want to invite you guys out to my free Facebook group, link down in the description, to get to my free Facebook group where we talk about all these type gigs. People are sharing information, people are sharing videos of them going out doing the work. So, you know, it's just not me out here making all the money. People are driving their cars, driving their vans, driving their SUVs, driving bikes, whatever they got to do to deliver and be couriers and make the money. All right. So next time, boss up, baby. We gone.